Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I told you in a previous video that I'm going to be talking about the errors that are done in Microsoft Excel. So now I'm here. In my previous video I showed you how to make a report using using Microsoft Excel. I showed you the parts of Microsoft Excel. Now I'm here to show you the errors. So be on. Now we're going to start with the errors. This I already have here my icon open. I have here my students. As you see my first mm, my first error that is done in Excel is dividing some number divide by 0. So as you see here, I can. You remember in Microsoft Excel, you have to do equals first. So now this divide by this divide by let's divide by 0. I press enter. You see I get div 0. That's the first error. Have you seen how I've done it? We can also do it here. 9 equals, don't forget the equals always in Microsoft Excel. So that this divide by divide by 0. You press enter. Have you seen? That's it. That's my first error. Then we go to the next area. This one, hashtag value. So as I told you that my hashtag value, I'll put my big values here. So it's equal. I come here is equal to. Sorry, my cursor was still here. Can put here is equal to this value. This value times for hashtag value. You come here, you put equals this cell plus some text which is not the same as this. When you press enter, have you seen the hashtag value? That's our second error. So my third error, I have hashtag reference, and we're going to see that. So now to correct this, have you seen my hashtag value? Have you seen this? Then to correct this, it means the mistake is somewhere. Have you seen where the mistake is? So you come and change that. Sorry, you come and change this. So you cannot add a text to it, digits. So you come and add this, and that will give you the answer. That is the correction for that. And the correction for 0, you don't have to divide by 0. 0 is the problem. So let's go to hashtag reference. So now for the hashtag reference, I can come here and write here like my 60. After writing the 60, so I can go here, like here. I type equals this. When you enter, I get my 60 there. Now after there, when I come and I delete this also, the law, I delete it, the entire law. Okay, this I get the hashtag reference. So now let's go back. So now you should not delete. If you still want this, you should not delete the entire row if you still need to use the 60 here, because there it will give you hashtag reference. That's my third error in Microsoft Excel. Then you can go to hashtag name. So now let me come here. As I told you, my next error I can put is equal to, never forget, is equal to count if is a function here. Count if you open your brackets, you put some range, comma, and a criteria, and put that. Then you close your brackets, press end. As I told you, you can put any range like A, B, A, B, C, comma, you go to the criteria and put this. Then you close your bracket, you press end. Have you seen hashtag name? So for count if, as you see here, for count if, you should put the right criteria and the right range for it to be correct. Then my last will be hashtag. Then there for hashtag comes about when your cell is so small for that. You can come here is equal to this times this. When your cell is very small, you place and have you seen? Now to get the answer, the right one, you just have to enlarge it so that you get the answer. Have you seen? Thank you for listening. In my next videos, we are going to talk about Microsoft PowerPoint, so don't miss out. Just like, subscribe, download, share. Thank you for listening. I'm Shura.